welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaqueline. I'm an artist and a DIYer and honestly just a lover of all things creative. Today I wanted to do a video introducing myself. I want to do an introduction video. So this channel is about creativity and my journey of navigating this new world of trying to become a full-time artist and trying to grow a small creative business that combines my passion for creativity, art, and stationery. But I wasn't always a full-time artist. I had a regular corporate 9-to-5 job that provided me with financial freedom and stability. But unfortunately, like so many people currently, I was laid off from my 9-to-5 job just a few months ago. And it was a moment that it was a very terrifying and cloudy moment of fear of the unknown, fear of not being financially stable. So after being laid off from my corporate job, I decided to go straight applying for new positions and getting back to being financially stable, because that's what I see as being the smart choice. Deep down, I also knew that going to another corporate job wasn't what I truly envisioned for myself, wasn't what I truly wanted to do. I always had this thought of, what if I truly follow my passion and try to pursue my dream of being a full-time artist and growing a small business that combined my love for art and stationery and creativity. So in the meanwhile, while applying for jobs and polishing my resume and doing all that you need to do on LinkedIn, I also wanted to take a chance of growing a career that would allow me to become a full-time artist and small business owner. This creative burst emerged in me, and I decided to learn what I needed to learn and do what I needed to do to become and to hopefully become a full-time artist. I went from not knowing anything of social media, of what is social media marketing, to learning how to start a blog, how to write blog posts, how to create social media marketing, create reels for Instagram, TikTok, and now start creating and vlogging on YouTube. Now, I'm a very shy person. Like, just 4 months ago, the idea of talking in front of a camera kind of scared me. But fast 4 months later, I'm talking straight to a camera. Even though I was laid off, and it was a very sad moment, and it is still a very sad moment and terrifying moment, I'm also rediscovering my passion for creativity and discovering new passion for creativity, like creating content and sharing my work. Now, what am I doing to become a full-time artist and small business owner? I'm starting to share my work on social media platforms, and I do have an Etsy shop that I actually had an Etsy shop since 2019. I do sell my work on Etsy, and I do sell prints, stationery, invitation, and cards. I decided to also focus on growing a career where I would become a full-time artist and start a small business. So I decided to establish Lovely Lark. Lovely Lark is my small business that I sell not only I sell my art and stationery products, but I also wanted to create a platform that celebrates creativity, the joy of creating in everyday life, from painting to DIY projects to furniture flipping. I wanted to create a platform that celebrates creativity. And also it would be an outlet that I would share my journey and my passion. So in this channel, I want to share the behind the scenes, the ups, the downs, what it is to grow a small business and become a full-time artist, and hopefully connect and with people who are also going through the same thing and want to follow their passion as well. So let me know in the comments, are you also in a journey of rediscovering yourself, of wanting to start a small business? Let's connect, let's build a community, and let's go and try to navigate this new era of our lives, and hopefully we can follow our own passion and succeed in it. So if this resonates with you, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and join me on this new, scary, but so fulfilling journey. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.